Hi everybody, in this demo we'll be looking at the automatic conversion of purchase requisitions into purchase orders. This functionality allows us to convert specified groups of purchase requisitions into purchase orders all in one transaction. This demo encompasses QRG DP14, display purchase requisitions, and DP16, auto creation of purchase orders from requisitions. Please refer back to these QRGs for any further guidance needed. Okay, let's switch over to SAP and have a look. So first of all, we need to navigate to the automatic creation of purchase orders tile. To do that, we'll search in the user menu. Once the tile has been found, we can simply click on it, and this will open up the initial screen where we'll be able to enter the parameters needed to capture certain purchase requisitions. If we look at the top section here, we can see the main parameters which can be selected. We can enter information to convert batches of purchase requisitions by purchasing group, purchasing organization, vendor, contract, and plant, amongst other things. The next section down specifies how the purchase order will be grouped. This default is set so purchase orders are grouped by contract and company code. This essentially means that when the purchase requisitions has the same company code and same contract, it will group it on the same PO and it will have one purchase order number. If an item has a different contract, for example, it will create a separate purchase order for this item. If you want a purchase order per purchase requisition, for example, as opposed to purchase requisitions being grouped together, then we would select per requisition. Okay, the next section down is other parameters. Here we can drill down even further with regard to specifying which purchase requisitions we want to convert to purchase orders. Here you can see lots of different fields, which gives us many different ways of manipulating the data within SAP. For example, we might want to convert based on material group, or a delivery date or delivery date range, or a material code. In this demo, we're going to be looking at converting purchase requisitions for brown rice for Skelmersdale, plant 5023. To do this, in this example, I will be specifying the purchase requisition numbers to be converted. To find the purchase requisition numbers, we can search for them using the display purchase requisitions tile. And to find that, I'll open up a new tab. And to find that, I'll be searching in the user menu as before. Once the tile is found, we can select it. And we can enter the material number, which is 1 with 5 zeros, 127. And the plant number is 5023 for Skelmersdale. From here, we can select execute to see which purchase requisitions it brings up. Okay, so here we can see a list of all purchase requisitions available. Here we can see the item number or material number. Here's the description, and here's the quantity. We can see the delivery date here, which is also the 23rd of July. What I'd like to do as part of this demo is to convert the first 3 lines. These are purchase requisition numbers 2134539, 2134539, and 2134539. So I'm just going to take a note of these numbers, as we'll need these for the next step. Okay, now if we switch back to the other tab, we can enter these purchase requisition numbers we just found. And we're going to enter them into here. Okay, we can enter multiple purchase requisition numbers by clicking the box and the arrow next to the fields. Then we can simply list the numbers here. Okay, from here we can copy this information over. Okay, so we may get issues if the contract isn't set up correctly. So before we convert the requisitions, we need to do a quick test run. This will highlight if any requisitions will fail to convert to orders. To do this, we can just select test run here, and we can select execute, and we can see what it throws up. Okay, we can see we have no error messages, so all purchase requisitions are okay to convert to purchase orders. To do this, we simply need to arrow back and uncheck the test run box and simply execute again. Okay, so here we can see all the orders have successfully converted. Here's the PO number. We can see that all 3 PRs have been converted to 1 PO. This is because we specified on the previous screen that orders should be grouped by company code and contract. If we wanted separate orders, we will have selected the per requisition option, and it would have created 3 separate POs. Okay, this concludes the demo of how we will auto convert purchase requisitions en masse. Thank you very much for watching.